Cause you never know what tomorrow brings in this crazy life. Hey, this life, this life, this life, this life. Hey, and I'm thankful, even when they...
Hi everyone, today... Hello YouTube! Day 7, we're in Thailand Phuket. And last night when we arrived, it was just horrible. It was just pouring with rain. It was just bucket loads of it everywhere. It was horrible.
Rude ass taxi driver.
We had a rude ass taxi driver. He was just aggressive and not very friendly. The lobby guy was cool though.
Yeah.
The guy in the reception was cool.
You know. But look at his room.
But look at this room. One weird thing, right, is, can you hold this a sec, Tom? Like,
Oh my god.
this is one of the weird things. I've not really seen one of these. There's the blinds. There's a window to the bathroom. So like, if someone's showering, like this person here can see it. I don't know why they would implement this when it's supposed to be a twin room, but like, if I just come out the shower, press the again. Well done,
I think it's supposed to be like romantic, like you can see.
Got 2 separate beds.
Yeah, but I don't know. But then like, I see it as you don't want to see someone who's having a shit. Like, that's not romantic.
I'll sit down and this guy looks like you had a shit. Oh well, no, the toilet's a bit further back, but you're like...
I could, yeah, that's not...
Can you imagine?
That is not romantic at all.
That was definitely not romantic. Like,
Oh my god.
so me and Tom, we don't want to see each other's naked bodies, so we...
So yeah, that's cool though. It comes with its own blind, but
I'd complain if there was no blind. What
Yeah.
the hell? What if it was you and your mum on holiday? That would be just...
oh my god,
awkward.
no, stop.
Or you and your dad. Oh god, no. That'd be just awkward. No, horrible. I don't even want to think about it.
Yeah, don't even want to think about it.
Anyway, gonna go for food. Oh, there's another thing that's weird. I'll show you. So, next to the toilet, there's like a little... I don't... I think you wash your bum with that.
It's like a hose pipe though.
It's like a hose pipe, like with a little shower head on it. But like right next to the toilet. I think some cultures they wash the bum straight from that when they've done a shat. When they've done a poo. So that's bad recording yet. Okay.
That's right.
That way, innit?
Oh, thanks.
Oh my god, it's like camera's fogged up because it's far.
Because it's moist.
It's moist.
Where are we, Jordan?
We're in
The jungle. As you can tell by the misted up camera.
welcome to the jungle. Oh my god.
Wipe it, man. What's wrong with you? Get your...
What are you getting, Jess?
Nutella and strawberry.
Pancake.
Yeah, crepe.
Crap. Nutella and pancake.
Oh wait, it's crepe.
Pancake, crap, same thing.
Wait, what's from again?
Mango and honey, he said.
What are you getting?
I'm gonna get Nutella and banana.
Come into our house and pancake over the best.
Yeah.
There'll be no bloody messed up.
Fresh mango. A meat cleaver for pancake. Right now we're at an island called Pipidon.
Pee. Hello, YouTube. Look at that.
I can't. Look at that right there. Oh my god. The water is so blue. So what's your feels on this trip so far, Tom?
Amazing.
Amazing.
Just look at that.
Breathtaking, isn't it?
Yeah. What about you? How's your sunburn?
It's okay. I mean, I've had worse, so... But it's not
You
what you
should have
really
done the
want.
snorkeling, man. All the fish were just like chilling. There was like sea urchins.
Sea urchins.
Yeah,
Gross.
however you say it. Gross.
Gross.
No, they were quite far, but you could see them.
Oh, right. Is that the one where you could stand on and like really, really hurt yourself?
But yeah, like what kept happening? Like there's a current, and then everyone just kept like coming and kicking me. Like nearly kicked off, man. Nearly started to fuck.
Nearly started.
Everyone was kicking me, honestly.
Kicking
It was
you?
like literally one guy was like miles away, floated all the way down to me just to kick me and start swimming away. And I'm like, excuse me?
Should have threw the sea urchins at him. Just picked them up
Just
and
picked it up with my bare hands.
Just lobbed it at him.
I don't even care if it kills me, I'm lobbing it in.
Yeah. Just slap him with it.
Jonah, why don't we live here?
It's amazing. I would totally live here. Look at this.
Look at that view.
The view is amazing.
In the water.
In the
It's so
water.
blue.
How can we move here?
Subscribe.
It's a tribe. Start a tribe.
Yep, I said subscribe, but start a tribe also.
Or could join a tribe. Let's go
We
for
should.
food.
Yeah, let's go.
Wait, we're not done yet.
You're not.
Well,
No.
Holy shit, it really is a buffet. They're still going.
still going. Come on.
I'm hungry, guys.
Imagine it, they come back and the food's gone. We're just like, it wasn't us.
Where's my chicken right? That breakfast this morning wasn't really a breakfast, was it?
No, it was
A
just
banana.
basically fruit and some biscuits.
It wasn't even fruit, like, it was just banana.
Just banana. Just some biscuits, some tea and coffee, that's it.
Yeah, that's not really breakfast. When
The
they
only-
said breakfast.
The only thing I'm afraid of is people are eating here now. I know we've got that like hour-long speedboat ride back to the island. There's gonna be more people throwing up.
That guy that threw up, that absolutely reeked.
Really?
Did you smell it?
I couldn't smell it now.
Where is he? I hope he's not coming back with it.
He'll be with us because he's the white team.
Do you see his bag?
Yeah, it was full,
Full
wasn't it?
that thing to the brim. I was like, you're gonna have to get another bag for the bag, like.
Double bag that shit.
And then he's like, what do I do with it? And I was thinking like, oh, just lob it in a tree or something. And he's like, put it in the bin. I was like, don't keep it on this boat. Like, it's disgusting.
See, I thought you would have told him to chuck it off
Yeah,
the boat.
I
Like,
thought that, but then,
lob it
like-
to the sea. Yeah,
What, everybody's swimming?
I don't know.
Yeah, but then that's what I was gonna say.
Ben
You
will
swim
have
it,
to keep
the
it in,
bag
keep it in the
bursts.
boat. Yeah. Gross.
Are you doing that now?
Right, let's
Right,
go.
let's get food.